we'll be starting with practice set 2.3 today, where construction is the important part. Now, first thing given is draw a line L. So we can draw any line L. A line does not have a measure, so you can draw any line L. Take a point A outside it. You can take it anywhere. Okay. Then draw a line through point A which is parallel to line L. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to draw a line which is parallel to line A through point A. Okay, now here we have to draw two perpendiculars. Okay, 290 degrees. How are we going to do this? Just see. Whenever you are asked to draw perpendicular from a point outside the line, this is a point outside the line, you have to follow simple steps. Take a rounder, place the center on A. Okay, then take a suitable measure such that it cuts the line. So place the center on A, pencil on this line, and you will get two arcs. Okay, again I am showing you, rounder is here on A, cut two arcs. Step number 1 understood. Then place your rounder here on this arc where this point meets. Okay, these 2 points, here you will draw arc, and from here also you will draw an arc. Okay, now if you join this, this will exactly be 90 degrees. Okay, this will exactly be 90 degrees. So what you will do, you will extend this. Okay, and now again you will draw a perpendicular. Now how to draw a perpendicular from point on the line? This is a line now. Okay, let me call this line M. You have to draw perpendicular from point A on line M. So how will you do? Take any small radius. Okay, maybe 1 centimeter, maybe 2 centimeter. Place the rounder on A, cut the 2 arcs. Okay, on either sides, on both the sides. You can take half centimeter, 1 centimeter, anything. Okay, so these 2 arcs. Now place the rounder here. Okay, and draw 2 arcs. From here draw 1 arc, and from here also draw 1 arc. Okay, from here you will draw 2 arcs. Taking suitable measure, you can draw this 2 arcs. Now if you join this, this line will be exactly parallel to line L. Okay, I'll name this as N. Okay, these are 2 lines which are parallel lines, and we have drawn a line which is passing through A. Okay, you can slowly see the video again to see the steps again. Correctly do it. You can do it at home. Okay, so we'll move on to the second one now. Okay, so second one says that draw a line L. So we are drawing line L of any measure. Take a point T outside the line. We have taken point T outside the line. Through point T, draw a line parallel to L. So it is same as first one, only the names are different. So again I'll show what are the steps. Point T, take a suitable measure, place the rounder, cut 2 arcs here. Okay, place your rounder here, draw the arc, place your rounder here, draw the arc. Okay, now if you join this, exactly this will be 90 degree. And again if you extend this, okay, name this as line M. Okay, now from point T you will take a smaller arc on both the sides. Okay, that can be 1 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter, anything very small, no need to measure it. Okay, now extend this. Okay, and draw the arc. From here I have drawn the arc. From here place the rounder here and draw the arc without changing the radius. Don't change. Okay, then you will see this line will be exactly parallel to line L. Okay, so this is N. Okay, because it is 90 degree, you can put a perpendicular mark here. Okay, so line N is perpendicular to line L. Okay, this is how you will draw and you will get full marks. Okay, so let us move on to sum number 3. Now third one says that draw a line M. Okay, so we drew a line M. Draw a line N which is parallel to line M. Okay, but at a distance of 4 centimeter from it. So as you see children, as you see railway tracks, railway tracks, they are parallel lines. Okay, but there is certain distance between them which is equal. Okay, so here also parallel lines we have to draw, and they have mentioned the distance should be 4 centimeter. So how will you draw? It is very simple. I'll take point anywhere. I'll take the point here. Let us say I have taken point A. Okay, you know how to draw the perpendicular. I am drawing the perpendicular from point on the line. Okay, so from point A, I'll draw the two arcs on both the sides. Then from here, I'll draw this one arc and two arc. Okay, so this will exactly be 90 degrees. Okay, then we are asked to draw a parallel line which is 4 centimeter away from this line. So what I'll do is from point A, take a radius of 4 centimeter. On your rounder, take 4 centimeter and draw the arc. Let this be point B. Okay, now you know the steps of drawing the line or drawing a perpendicular line from a point on the line. Again you will follow the same steps. From B, draw two arcs. Okay, from here draw one arc, and from here also draw one arc. Okay, now if you see, this will exactly be parallel. This will exactly be parallel to line M, and the distance here will be 4 centimeter. So this parallel line, which is called N, they have mentioned, you name this as N. So this will exactly be 4 centimeter away from line M. Okay, then with this we come to the end of practice set 2.3. Goodbye children, good luck.